As we've talked in class already, this is one midpoint and distance, 1, 3. And midpoint, remember that it's a point. We have to have an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So here's the formula. You're adding the x's together, dividing by 2, and adding the y's together and dividing by 2. It's the average of the x's and the average of the y's. So let's find midpoint. And again, midpoint, we use a capital M, and we add the x's together, divide by 2. Here's my x's. Then I add my y's. And I get 1/2 and 0. So I want you to pay attention here on this note that if you're putting this in your calculator, you need to put 2 plus -2 and put that in parentheses before you hit that division, because otherwise your calculator won't do it right. And let's look at the graph for this. If I was looking at the graph, Pythagorean theorem, right? This distance is 4, and the distance between the x's is 6. So half of that distance is 2, and half of this distance is 3, which puts me right there at 1/2, 0. So I want you to try finding the midpoint of these and then come back and check your answers. So I want you to see here that I put a fraction here, which is fine. It doesn't matter. And over here, though, I use decimals. Decimals are easier to graph. Like I can estimate where -1.85 is and -5.4 is without too much trouble. But sometimes these improper fractions are a little harder to figure out where they are on the graph. Let's see. Okay, so this one we are going to do in class. And I believe that we will do the rest of this other one in class. So there you have it. That's it for this video.